A block of mass m is equals to 1 kg slides with the velocity v is equals to 6 meter per second on a frictionless horizontal surface and collides with a uniform vertical rod and sticks to it. The rod is pivoted around the point O and swings as a result of collision, making an angle theta before the momentary coming to rest. If the rod has a mass of 2 kg and length of 1 meters, we need to find the value of theta. Here we can take g is equals to 10 meter per second square. Now applying the law of conservation of momentum, we get W is equals to mvl upon I. From the principle of conservation of energy, we can get I, the formula ml square by 3 plus ml square. From here we get the value of I to be 5 by 3. From equation 1 again, we can get the value of cos theta, which comes out to be 27 by 50 is equals to 1 minus cos theta. Cos theta is equals to 1 minus 27 by 50, which comes out to be 23 by 50, which is our answer.